Hiding from the cops?
No man, my cops to my friend man. Cops to my brethren man.
Yeah. Go on mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya star. Only purple shine, I'm a corner. One time it hard for carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, but the journey so far.
Welcome Success family, my enlightened keepers of Øwayne Media alongside our new arrivals to the channel. Exciting news for Genocide and the Six fans. Byron Messia is taking aim at Plumpy boss Eddy G, banned from performing on stage by the police. Alright, so Masicka and Squash have just previewed an upcoming collaboration, a song that will definitely be a hit. Yes, you heard right, Masicka and Squash, two of dancehall biggest names right now, are teaming up. This is a collaboration many fans, including myself, never expected, but now that it's happening, it feels like something we always wanted, right? Genocide and the Six fans drop some crocodile and some six emoji in the comment section right now, because this is a big moment for the Genocide and the Six movement, and I wouldn't be surprised if they even diss Alkaline. Not like they have to diss Alkaline, or Alkaline is even relevant for them to diss Alkaline, but still, we want the war, which is highly unlikely because that would be giving Alkaline more power and attention that Alkaline have to work for, you know, for himself. So check out Masicka and Squash preview of their upcoming song right now.
So good the motherboard, you know. I'm a killer, not off a tour. Killer, I'm a killer, gun pop off the most. Rich like time, and chat on the boats. But long time for we pat on the boats. We don't mix our finger, nah. Remember we pull up chips like finger. Rich, running my thick man singer.
Let me know what you guys think. Not too long ago, Squash hosted his Big Breeze show and Masicka was one of the performers. Apparently, they found the time to work on new music but kept it under wraps until now. After a highly successful year, especially for Squash with his anthem Big Breeze, this new song with Masicka could close out the year on a high note. The preview alone is enough to tell me, and should be able to tell you, that this song will be a game changer in dancehall, especially since it's coming from Masicka and Squash teaming up. Squash is definitely having one of his best years in his career, and Masicka as well, and this song will continue that trend for both artists. Alright, so one KB6 artist, Byron Messia, is taking a different route, targeting Plumpy boss with his new song. Byron Messia calls out Plumpy boss, saying, "Smoke you want, then smoke you get."
Bomba, smoke on the want and I smoke on the get. KB6 that stamp on the chest. 1 KB6 G city badness. You to no feel on the safe, on the dead, on the deaf. But see them can't hear no. A big breeze and all hear no. Hundreds down the can't hear them. One of them do a man can't hear you. See and kids your Barbados. All dead for me money, I said.
If you know, you know. This war between the 6 and the 7 escalated after Plumpy boss mocked the 6 following the death of Byron Messia friend Puppy 6 in Florida. So basically, Plumpy boss cigarette post is what Byron Messia is replying to. Squash had already dissed Plumpy boss with his new song Get Up, and now Byron Messia is keeping the heat on the 7. Things seems calm right now, but this song will definitely stir things up even further between the 6 and the 7. Alright, so let me know what you guys think, because for me personally, the song sound good. So we will definitely see what will happen. But I have a question to ask. What's happening with the 7 camp? Because ever since Plumpy boss got shot in St. Martin, the 7 seem to have gone radio silent. No, but for real, ever since the situation, the man them gone quiet. My question is there silence a strategic pause just because of what they are currently dealing with? Or is it that they step away from the badness altogether? I am beginning to wonder why we haven't seen much of Med's boss or other 7 members, because remember when Wakadan of the 6 died, came on 6 step up as the new face in the crew. Like on a serious note, the 7 to me seems to be fading in the background, right? Fans, including myself, are eager to see Med's boss return with new music or music video, etc., right? Especially after his recovery from being shot, and it's time for the talented artists to focus on what they do best, and that is making music. Eddy G is having a hard time with the police right now because the police in St. James will no longer approve events featuring dancehall artist Eddy G because his viral song No Cap seems to be glorifying running over police officers.
I move with the speed, I gun the beast, I come in, lick down police, I grung.
Right, this decision was announced by Superintendent Aaron Samuels following the death of a police officer, Constable Lenoir Codner, who died after being deliberately struck by a motorist. Alright, so this is an interview Eddy G did with TVJ Entertainment Report a couple months ago before they decide to ban him.
So why would you put out a song where you're telling the cop to get out of the way because you're not stopping?
I never do it, but me will do it. I never say me licking down, you know. Me just say, you will get licked down, can you just run out, so? So
basically, the dog said he won't do it, but he will do it. And I'm sure everyone knows that's a viral talk on TikTok right now. So Superintendent Samuels made it clear that allowing Eddy G to perform would be seen as disrespectful to the police force and society at large, especially given the emotional weight of Constable Codner's tragic death. So Samuels said he's concerned about the influence music can have on behavior, particularly in digital age where songs can quickly gain traction and shape public opinion through social media. So basically the police is saying that the song disrespects the loss of one of their own and also contributes to a dangerous narrative about law enforcement. Like, honestly speaking, the ban is asking some serious questions about free speech and the role of art in Jamaican society. On one hand, music is often used to express social commentary, and restrictions on performance can be seen as censorship. So when a song like No Cap seems to encourage violence against police officers, the potential consequences for that can be considered. But I would say restrict the song but not the artist from making appearances, because I believe banning performances sets a dangerous, precedence for artistic freedom. However, I can definitely see where their decision is coming from. It's rooted in concerns over public safety and the need to prevent the normalization of violence against police officers, which I agree with is just unfortunate stills, right? And one of the main reasons why I look at this weird is I can give you a big example. VybzKartel music has been banned in the past many times before because they deemed it explicit or violent, right? So it's not fit for radio airplay. Now, despite all of that, Kartel has never been outright barred from performing at events. His music were restricted, but he was never physically restricted of not, appearing anywhere to perform for his fans. This decision to bar Eddy G from performing in St. James is a big shift in the approach of handling controversial music. Jano, this move against the artist is much more severe and unprecedented, like on a big woman level.
Hiding from the cops?
No, man, I cuffed to my friend, man. Cuffed to my brethren, man. Make it funny to you, cause when me buck up on police I road and I just love me getting and everybody pointing, you wait till police for them. I don't know whether what I talk about, but a different thing when me see police.
My dogs them do the fraud game, motherfucking hands up, must never go on Spain. Check up on my beer, the whole I sent.
Alright, so that's the video for today. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments as always. Out.